Hey guys, this is Ryan E. Smith from Action Stream 2862, and welcome back to my channel. Like you to click on notifications, subscribe to my channel, follow my TikTok, Rhino416, and my Instagram, Rhino7989, and leave a comment. Always click on notification and subscribe. Today, I'm going to get on here and unbox the Smashers Dino Ice Age mini surprise. Yeah. You see a video, the last Smashers video when I unboxed the green one. And this is the blue one. And Action Man will be joining me for this. Here I come, guys. Yeah, Action Man. And Action Guy. And Action Girl. And make a Stream Man and Stream Girl, too. We are coming, Ryan. Ready to get this open, Action Man? Yeah, let's get the Smashers open. Let's get it open now, Ryan. Open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Okay. I'm opening it up. About to open up the Smashers. Mix and match with Dinosaur Collection. Dino Ice Age mini surprise. Zuru. When I get it open, I'll like the dinosaur eggs, because I know these Smashers are full of dinosaurs. And comment down below and tell me if you want me to unbox some more Smashers, because I will unbox some more. Action Stream fam, he will unbox some more. He will. Yeah. That's right, fam. He will unbox it. That's right, Action Guy. I am going to unbox some more. I have other toys to unbox, too. Finish it up here. Once I tear the paper off. It's tough to get these papers open. The back of it say freeze, stretch, slime, build, and mix and match. I got the paper off now. I'm gonna open it. Well, that Stream Man, that Stream Girl, it's time to open it. It's time to open it. Yeah, I have it, because this is one of you guys' color schemes. They give you a blue egg, like a color egg, like more slime. I'm gonna read in this what you're supposed to do here. Since I've got this open, they say what to do here. So to put the dinosaur together, it's called Angry Cyrus, Toothy, T-Bone, Triceratops, Slime, Surd, and Frozen Rex. That's what they give you here. Slime or Rex. Slime and Rex. This must be a more difficult one to put together. See what's inside the egg here. What's inside the egg? What's inside the egg? What's inside the egg, man? What's inside the egg? What's inside the egg? Yeah, what's inside the egg? I'm looking for the egg. Now I'm going to open the egg. I'm opening the egg. Might be a little small dinosaur in here. You smash it. Once I get it all the way open, they're getting it all the way open now. Oh. There's a little mouse here. Huh. Got that egg open and there's a little mouse. Ah, now I gotta have to open these slime. Animal pieces are in this slime. Now I gotta get the tiger head out of the slime. The head of the animal out. The rest of it are in here. I have my own scissors right here, guys. Forgot about that. And here we are. This is the toy body of the toy. Always a mess. Look on the commercials and see what's the slime for. See Action Man, Action Girl, the slime. I don't know what the slime for, but I have to read it more and check what the slime is for. Put the slime back in the bag. That slime, that gotta be for something, man. It is for something. You gotta hold on and see. See what that slime for. Do you have any more to open? Do you have any more to open, Ryan? You have any more to open? Yeah, I'm gonna have to see if I have any more to open. Got that part open. Oh yeah, one more right here. The stretchy snow. That's the one I gotta have to open now. The stretchy snow. And after this, I think that's the whole part of the animal's body. This must be the arm and legs in this one. We have to see. Action stream open. Action stream open. Open up now. We're gonna open up. This is the last bit. They have the legs. The other leg. The legs coming in. We're gonna open it up now. There it are. The tail. Kind of tiny tail. And the two arms. The two legs come with it. Hold on, let me get my cool Action Extreme sunglasses. I had Action Extreme sunglasses on. Now I'm gonna put this together. This is the arm. Yep, the one arm here. Where do the head go? Here? Or here? The head goes right here. Where do this go? Got it. Where do this go? Oh, this is the leg, one of the legs. Now, where do this go? Right here. Where do this go? Do this go here? I see where the head goes. Now, where do this one go? Where does this go? Action Girl's coming out and say something. Let's see here. Come on there. Come on, Action Girl. Here we are. Where did that other leg go, Ryan? Where do we go? Where do we go? Ah, where it go? We're seeing where it goes. Thinking it goes here. Unless that's the other hand. One fell on the floor. Is this correct? Looks like it is correct. Just have to go here. Have to go here. Look at the paper and see if I got it on right. I see, where's the paper? You got it red, Ryan? Where does it go? I got it. The leg go here. That other leg go here. Take it off and show you. There you are, action streamers. You want to see action, girl? I want to see it. Yeah, got it. Uh-huh. And an extreme man, you want to say? I want to see it. Yeah. You got it great. Extreme girl. Yeah. You gonna make action figures of us? Yeah, and put in action at String Studio. Of course. Do you see action, girl? I see. Yeah, I see it. Maxine. That's right, Maxine. Can I look? Yes, Princess Ballerina, you can look. Ah, yay. You got the whole thing put together. That's right. Now let me show Don Danger. Danger. Okay. I want you to remember, we're not dangerous. We're your friends. I see it, Ryan. You see Captain Taco? I see it. It's put together. Yeah. Woo, I'm going to grab it and let it fly with me in the air. Yeah. Let me get it fitted. So I find Action Man. Oh, the dinosaur put together? Yes, Cuppy Cake. It's put together. Well, the part failed, but there you are. Great, Ryan. It's put together. Hooray. Yeah. I'm going to get Action Man and show him. Oh, you put it together finally. I put it together. See, John? I see. Action Man, John Danger. That's right. And the slime is like you can put over it. Ah. So tiger or cheetah is one of them kind of animals. Now, Action Guy, you see it, Max Danger, Action Guy. Oh, yeah, I see it. The microphone, you can sing about things. Already coming up with the first song about amusement parks. You can get in with me. Ah, that's cool. You did it. And I think he chases this mouse. Or he captured that mouse. So if you ever want to know how to put it together, this is how you put it together. So you can get them in your stores now, each sold separately. Like I say here in the commercial, each sold separately. The little mousey, like the coloring. Well, I did that for today. I'm going to show you how I put it together. You put the leg like this. And then you put it down like this, and it sticks. There you go. You put the leg down, it sticks. It sticks, guys. Yeah. So leave a comment and tell me if you want me to buy more of these. Or tell me what other toys you want me to unbox. Summer be coming soon, so we're going to be doing more poo. So I'm going to come up, tell me some new poo challenges. And we may get a new poo. Now you see what we do in these challenges? Or you want me to do some more gaming videos? I will. I bought a new game, and I'll do that in the video. Well, that's it. I'm going to end the video here. Before it gets later. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Just remember to click on notification. Subscribe to Ryan E. Smith's channel. His channel. Right? Subscribe to me. Subscribe. And follow his TikTok, Ryan Rhino 416. That's right, Action Man. My TikTok is Ryan 416. And now the Action Girl will do this part. And his Instagram, Rhino7989. That's right. My Instagram is Rhino7989. And leave a comment down below. Always leave a comment. Click on notification. That's right. Click on notification. And keep the comment and see what you want them to do in other videos. That's right, guys. Hope you enjoy this day of me unboxing another Smasher. That's the second Smasher I unboxed. See? This is the first one I unboxed. Mini light up Dino. And I have the other one right here. Hold on. Here's the first one I unboxed. And now I have two of them. There you go. And soon I'm going to unscrew this, put a battery in it, and see if they fighting again. There's no battery unscrew on this one, but there's one unscrew here. The two little Smasher dinosaurs, and they're going to fight. Well, they'll be fighting soon. Yeah, da 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 da. It's the Action Street Show. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. It's the Action Streamers. Da 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 da. Where you going? I'm gonna make you. We're gonna have dinosaur meals, are we? Yeah, but your Action Streamers gonna have food, are you? That's right. Yeah. I'll be back, but I'm coming as dinosaur me. We're coming for a dinosaur. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. There you go, fans. That a little fun? Yeah. Well, remember, that's it for today. See you next time, man. Bye. Action Man, you're ending with me? Hold on, man. I'm going to let you end with me. You in with me, man? You're coming out, are you? You're coming out. Yeah, action here. There's action there. Do you want to land in the town? Uh-huh. Okay. Bye. Bye. Action streamers. Lucky action streamers. And there you go, guys. What about dinosaur eggs? What about dinosaur soup and dinosaur sandwiches and roasted dinosaurs? No. Yeah, dinosaur egg, dinosaur soup. Roasted that. One more thing and I'm ending. Get this last one. Ah! I get a stray. There we are.